around us they stood. When you pulled off your apron, shielded me from the wind. Oh, John, lovely Johnny, what has altered your mind? Oh, John, lovely Johnny, do you mind the day you came to my window to steal me away? You promised to marry me of all female kind. Tell me now, lovely Johnny, what has altered your mind? And the first place that we courted, it is well known, was in my father's garden, where the wild winds do blow, with the white apron around us, shielding us from the wind. Oh, John, lovely Johnny, what has altered your mind? It was in the dark wood, with the pinks and all the roses around us they stood. When you pulled off your apron, shielded me from the wind. Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, what has altered your mind?
Thank you very much. Now we're going to do a song about a shepherd for you now. This has got a chorus if anybody here likes joining in with choruses. This is called Blow the Windy Morning. It's a song collected in Herefordshire. won't put off my shoes or clothes. Don't let my knees go back. My knees with you again. Behind the all despairs. Blow the wind you morning. Blow the winds I know. Clear away the morning dew. Sweep the wind shall blow the wind you morning. Blow the winds I know. Clear away the morning dew. Sweep the wind shall blow.
Thanks. Next we'll do a song which was collected in the cultural epicentre of southern England in 1907. It was collected in Basingstoke by folks and collector called George Gardiner, and he wrote this down in manuscript form. I've seen the manuscript, and on top of it, it says this song is indecent. I'm really sorry to say it's not, actually. Maybe we'll wait till the second half for that. It's a song called American Stranger. I want to intersperse it with a tune that I wrote for a friend's wedding, because well, all three of us have written quite a few tunes for people's weddings, because, well, being poor musicians, we can never afford anything off the John Lewis list. However, judging by the subsequent history of the marriages, I think our tunes might be jinxed. This one's called Princess Waltz, which I wrote for a very beautiful friend of mine. She looked like a princess and she married someone else.
But if you don't touch more smidgen of melodeon again in the microphone.
I'm a stranger as from America. There is no one that knows me or can tell me my name. I'm a stranger in this country, and I've taken a while. I've rambled from my home for many's the long while. Some say I am rage, some say I am wild, some say I am ragish, pretty girls to beguile. But to prove myself loyal, you should go along with me. I will take you to America, my darling, for two. We're all bound for America, marching
very much. We'll play something slightly lively, just in case you're falling asleep out there. A nice tune to fall asleep to. But these aren't. These are dance tunes. 3 tunes, each one written by a member of our trio. You'll probably be able to tell who wrote which one because the other 2 will have a look of panic on their faces as they try and play the other tune. They are called Next Stop Grimsby, which is the punchline of a terrible joke, The 3 Rascals, which is quite self-explanatory, and Aren't Crisps Brilliant? This is what happens when we let 8-year-olds name a tune.
very much. We'll do another song now. And key of C, if you're interested. This is a song called Banks of the Nile. It's a song of a soldier going off to fight in a battle in another land somewhere. The story is still relevant today, of course. This is also featured on our latest album, Broken Down Gentlemen. You might be able to purchase just over there after this gig.
Vince is just tuning his guitar
into the TFC, as I mentioned earlier on. So if you brought your ocarinas, now's the time to get back.
very much. We'll do a song now called The Thrashing Machine. This song has the best use of agricultural metaphor I've ever come across. So if you've got kids, be prepared to be asked a few questions. It's a love song, really. It's about love, this. Oh, yeah. Having a lovely afternoon here. It's nice, isn't it? It's good. Loads of music. And free. Here we go. I once knew a farmer I knew him quite well. He had a daughter and her name was Nell. At the early age of sweet 16, she wanted to go on my thrashing machine. One fine night in the merry month of June, when most of the farmers were watching the moon, I cocked up my ear and I heard a great scream. Said, there goes young Nell on the thrashing machine. Oh, I swung the barn door and there stood my dream. While she worked the oil can, I worked up steam. 'Twas a marvel to see the gears on the drive. And afterwards I was more dead than alive. Rolled by and all was not well. There's something the matter with our little Nell, for under her pinny was plainly to see the chaff that flew out of my thrashing machine. 6 more months rolled by, the baby was born, and it just goes to show that young George can thrash corn, for under his nappy was plainly to see a brand new 2-cylinder thrashing machine. I'm fairly sure the accompaniment for that tune doesn't normally feature Happy Birthday. Were you trying to make me laugh?
We're going to do the title track from this album we've been banging on about. This is called Broken Down Gentleman. It also features a Morris dance tune called Bobbing Joan at the end of it as well. I don't know if you know Halloween when you bob for apples in a barrel of water. Bobbing Joan is like that, except bobbing for someone called Joan. I'm sure you all knew that anyway.
the worst of it all. The landlord gave all for his rent, paid a zero-free, when he took away my dog, sits and swore that they got me, and swore that they got me. The roads and trees around me, then I could not run, they took away my dog, then I was quite undone, then I was quite undone. My wife had told she doesn't lament my children as I cry, to think that I was lying in jail until the day I die, to think that I was lying in jail until the day I die, until the day I die. I spent my time in vanity, and that's the ruin of me, and that's the ruin of me.
Thank you very much. We've got time for one more number. Thanks for staying and listening to us. We are Faustus, and we'll be over there afterwards trying to sell CDs, and we've got a mailing list as well. Just come and say hello. We're going to finish off quite appropriately with a sea shanty. This is called the Oxeye Man. And for those of you who are interested, an oxeye is a type of it's a type of knot or a rope or something really interesting. The Oxeye Man is the man for me. He was born and bred in Tennessee. With the rocks on side. Stay on the till with your wrong side up, you are the side.